Hey everyone, in today's video I'll quickly and clearly show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to another exchange or wallet. This works not only for USDT but for any crypto, so watch closely and don't miss a step. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be showing everything on a phone, but the steps are the same whether you're on mobile or desktop. First, open your Binance app and go to Assets. Find your USDT. Here is mine. If you don't see it, just use the search bar and type in USDT. Once you found it, tap Send. Then choose On-Chain Withdrawal. Now, before sending any crypto, there are three key things you always need to double check. The asset you are sending, the network you are using, the wallet address you are sending to. So remember, asset, network, address. Always confirm those three. Now we need to get the receiving address and select the network. Depending on the wallet or exchange you are sending to, the address will be different for each network. Here is where you choose the address. Networks like Solana, Tron, Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain and others all use different addresses. You'll also see the network fee here. This fee is fixed, meaning it doesn't depend on the amount you are sending. Whether you are sending 10 USDT or 100,000 USDT, the fee stays the same. For example, using Optimism costs just 3 cents. So I'll use that in this demo. Now I'll show you how to get the receiving address. If you are sending to a non-custodial wallet like Trust Wallet, open the wallet, search for the asset at the top. You'll see USDT available on many chains. Select the chain you are using. I am choosing Optimism and tap Receive to generate the wallet address. So you can easily copy it from here. If you are sending to another exchange, it doesn't really matter which one. Coinbase, Bybit, OKX, Kraken and others. The interface and the steps are pretty much the same across all of them. Open the exchange app or site. Go to Assets or sometimes Wallet. Deposit. Search for USDT. Pick the same network you selected on Binance, in this case Optimism. Copy the deposit address and paste it into Binance on the withdrawal screen. Again, the sending network and the receiving network must match exactly. If they don't, your funds could be lost and unrecoverable. So, which network should you choose? Honestly, it doesn't matter, as long as it's supported by both platforms. Personally, I go with the one that has the lowest fees and fast transaction times. Now go back to Binance, double check everything, asset, network, address, and type in the amount you want to send. Binance may ask for confirmation via email, passkey or Google Authenticator. Enter those to complete the process, and that's it, your funds will be transferred shortly. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And if this guide helped you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. This was Crypto Moves. Master the move, master the market. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.